You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and some of the most interesting words and pronunciations in the English language, some of the longest ones, etc. So make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Ventriloquist. Ventriloquist. Stress on that second tree syllable, it's important. Ventriloquist. And now you know, remember, ventriloquist. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, entertaining, if you find my voice interesting, or any other good reason. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.